For those who are not aware of it, a database company called Vettabase has created a list of awesome MariaDB-related resources that you can use in your daily work. Such lists already exist and for MySQL include information on backups, benchmarking, replication, configuration, deployment, and other issues, but what Vettabase is trying to accomplish here is to make a list specific to MariaDB. Vettabase has put in effort to distinguish MariaDB resources from MySQL resources and aim for the list to be useful for DBAs, software engineers, and data engineers alike, thus making the list have 3 sublists. You can find links to both of the lists in the description of the video. The content you can find on the GitHub page spans guides and tutorials on how best to query data, how to work with MariaDB using various IDEs, groups of connectors by language, lists of user interfaces you can use to connect and work with MariaDB, schema versioning tools, database monitoring resources, and so on. The content is also free. If you are a user of MariaDB and spot a mistake or perhaps want to share your own knowledge, feel free to open a pull request on GitHub, but other than that, enjoy and until next time.